This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this morning I'm going to be making honey pecan monkey bread muffins. We're going to need 1.5 pounds of refrigerated rolls, a cup of pecans, a third a cup of honey, 3/4 cup sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon, a third a cup of brown sugar, and 10 tablespoons of butter. So let's get started. The first thing I have to do is chop my pecans. I bought my pecans from Costco and they don't sell them chopped. We're going to spray our cupcake pan with cooking spray. We're going to take 1/2 cup of our pecans and place them on the bottom of the cup. We're going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to open our refrigerated bowls. My refrigerator rolls were 16 ounces each, so I needed 1.5 containers. We're going to cut our rolls into 8s. Now we're going to take our cut rolls and put them in our melted butter. In a large bowl, I'm going to combine my 3/4 cup sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon. We're going to take our rolls and we're going to roll them into the sugar mixture. If your roll pieces start to stick together, just pull them apart. Now we're going to take our cinnamon coated pieces and put 4 in each muffin tin. Okay, we're going to set both of these aside. We're going to melt our 6 remaining tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. We're going to turn our heat down to medium-low. We're going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of honey, and remaining 1/2 cup of pecans. Stir this in, and we're going to let this heat up for 5 minutes. We want to stir frequently so our mixture doesn't stick or burn. Now we're going to take a heaping teaspoon of our pecan honey mix and put it on top of each muffin tin. Now we're going to put 4 more of our biscuit pieces on top. We're going to put the remaining of this on top, and I'm going to start with a teaspoon of each, a teaspoon and a half each, and spreading it across, but it'll probably be closer to a tablespoon by the time we're done. We're going to stick our muffin pan on top of a cookie sheet so that it doesn't boil over and make a mess in our oven. We're going to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes at 300 degrees. Our muffins are done cooking. We're going to let them cool down for 5 minutes. We're going to take a cookie sheet and cover it with aluminum foil. We're going to take our cupcake pan and turn it upside down over the top of it. Wow! These look fantastic. These are ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.